Algebra, Chapter 6, checkpoint quiz number 1. Here we go. Negative 7 plus 2q equals 4. Step 1, add 7 to both sides, because that's a negative 7. So to undo that, we'll add 7. That gives me 2q equaling 4 plus 7, which is 11. Next step, divide both sides by 2. Q is equal to 11 halves. I would like the answer written. If you wrote the answer as 5.5, I wouldn't mark it wrong, but decimals are bad. Number 2, 16 equals negative 2v plus 34. Step 1, subtract 34 from both sides. 16 minus 34, negative 18, equaling negative 2v. Dividing both sides by negative 2. V is equal to 9. Boy, we got some issues today with the Moby, slow reacting. Number 3, 3b minus 12 and negative 9. Add 12 to both sides. Negative 9 plus 12 is 3. 3b equals 3. Dividing both sides by 3. b equals 1. Number 4, start by subtracting 5 from both sides. That means 2x is equal to 11 minus 5, which is 6. Dividing both sides by 2, x equals 3. Number 5, 5y minus 26. I'll add 26 to both sides to start with. That means 75 is equal to 5y. Dividing both sides by 5 then. What is it? Y equals 15, is that right? 15 equals y. All right, good. Number 6, start by subtracting 7 from both sides. M over negative 2 equals 21 minus 7 is 14. Undoing the division by multiplying. We multiply both sides by negative 2. M is equal to a negative 28. Problem number 7 is a different one. We have the variable in the denominator. I can't solve for the problem when the variable's in the denominator. So I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by p. That gets rid of p in the denominator, and it brings it over in the numerator. So what I end up with now is a negative 0.06 times p equaling a negative 3.4. So if a negative 3.4 equals negative 0.06p, I can divide both sides by a negative 0.06, and that will give me what p is equal to. And I have no idea what that's equal to, someone. Multiplying by 3.4 on both sides isn't going to do anything for you. Okay, we've got to get the p out from under the denominator. That's why I said this one was a lot different than the others. Somebody, negative 3.4 divided by negative 0.06. It's a large number that's positive. .6 repeating. Number 8. First thing I'm going to do is add 2 to both sides. And that gives me z over 2.05 equaling negative 15 plus 2 is negative 13. I'll multiply both sides by 2.05 to undo the division on that side. When I do that, I'm going to get z left over here. And negative 13 times 2.05. Is it a negative 26.65? And number 9, subtracting 4 from both sides. That gives me 3a equaling negative 9. Dividing both sides by 3 then, a equals negative 3.